ABI Garage Doors is a family business. It was started by my father in 1989. Was used Crowther for about 20 years, I think. He was originally the accountant when my father first set up the business, and we've been with him ever since. Crowther's helped us develop as a business because they have very good lines of communication, so I think it's certainly helped us develop as a business and grow. Very efficient, always on hand to answer any questions we may have. Crowther is amazing because I think a lot of it's down to their friendly personal service and their efficiency. Savvy, friendly, astute, because they have a very personal attitude towards your business. No two businesses are the same, and I think they understand that.